So friends, you can see I have received this microphone from MD Computers. So I bought it for 3,500 rupees. It has been delivered after 4 days because my location is a little bit remote location in Assam and it is nearby Guwahati. It was supposed to be delivered yesterday, but today I have received this order. So about the package quality, it is very good quality package. And here you can see Razer Seiren Mini. So it is the ultra precise super cardioid pickup pattern, professional recording quality, ultra compact build. Here we have, this is the Razer logo. This is streamer certified, so you can live stream your video games or any online podcast. So here you can see this seal is not yet broken, so I am breaking this seal now. So here we have opened this. Seal is broken. Now we can see that I think this is the guide. Okay, so it has a plastic wrapper. Now we can see, first of all you can see this is the cable. This is normal USB. It is not type C. Normal USB cable. Here we have type A. Here we have one cover also for this type A. And we can see here, this is I think the stand. This is also very good wrapping. Okay, this one is the stand on which we have to fix the mic. I will show you. So this is another option that we have to attach into the microphone. Now see the microphone. So is there any other product? Nothing. Okay, this much is the package content. We have one cable, we have this one is the microphone, this one is another stand support, and this one is the base of the stand. So now let us open this microphone. Okay, so you can see here, this is the microphone. You can see this is in black color. You can find in pink as well as white color. So here we have to attach this microphone cable. Okay, in this way you have to put this. Okay, so in this way you have to push it and it will be fixed like this. We can say this is a connector. We can directly screw it here. You can see now the wire is also connected. Again we have, this is the stand. So here we can connect this stand. Here you can see, in this way we have to screw it and we have to tighten it, and then we can directly use this microphone. We can adjust the microphone. This cable is good quality cable. This cable is around 2 meter long as per the company. Okay, here we have Razer branding. Here you can see this is the Razer branding. Here we can see this is also Razer branding. This is plastic. This one is metal covering. Okay, we can see this one is also plastic, but this base part is heavy. We have metal inside this one. So this is not that heavy. This one is the mini version of the Razer Seiren edition. So this microphone comes with one inbuilt shock mount. This part we have to connect into the PC, or we can use one dongle to connect to iPad or any smartphone. So thank you.